Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best butane torch to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of Top 5 Butane Torch. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Jigsaw. For projects that demand round cuts, this jigsaw takes the cake. The adjustable shoe offers greater balance and the ability to make beveled cuts, and the wire guide keeps the line of sight clear. At the same time, the 3/4 inch blade renders more accuracy, and 4 settings provide more variability for curved cuts. One customer who raved about the price and power of this tool explained, "Any jigsaw will be a little noisy, but this one seems a little quieter. I need a cut with a lot of curves, and this bad boy delivers with ease," while another added, "Really nice jigsaw, very powerful and makes clean, smooth cuts. Curve control technology, 4 curve settings for maximum control over rounded cuts. Beveled cuts, makes beveled cuts up to 45 degrees. Adjustable shoe with wire guard for enhanced stability and line of sight." Number 2. Black Plus Decker 20 volts Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw. This battery-powered reciprocating saw gets the job done for projects that don't require a circular saw. It's easy to use, has a pivoting shoe for greater control, and an electric brake for added safety. The blade can also be installed upside down, so the teeth point up for flush cutting. This tool is compatible with any 20 volts lithium-ion batteries from this popular brand. Convenient blade changes, get back to work with quick and easy tool-free blade changes. Expert control, get control where it's needed most with a pivoting shoe. One customer clarified, "Finally got my tree branches cut using my new saw, and it was effortless. Then tackled taking pallets apart by just cutting through the nails. Zip zip, like butter, took no time at all. Absolutely love that you just push a button to change the blade, so quick and easy." Number 3. DeWalt Miter Saw. Professionals who need a heavy-duty circular saw to create miters won't be disappointed with this DeWalt tool. According to thousands of customers, it's the best circular saw for making miter cuts. The stainless steel plate has 10 positive stops, a detent override, and a cam lock miter grip to ensure more precise cuts. Other features include the ability to create miters at a depth of 6 3/4 inch, and a beveling capacity of 0 to 48 degrees in both directions. One reviewer reported, "If you aren't already aware, this DeWalt 12-inch sliding compound miter saw is already one of the most highly rated miter circular saws on the market. It's perfectly suited for job sites as well as garage shops for the DIYer. It is a hefty piece of equipment that feels solid in all the right places. With a 12-inch blade and the ability to slide, this saw is capable of cross-cutting very wide stock." Number 4. WORX Wx427L64 Half Compact Circular Saw. One of the best circular saws that can be transported to different job sites, this WORX lightweight circular saw weighs a mere 5.07 pounds. Its left blade design is in the user's line of sight, making it easier to make straight cuts while its strong motor can get through a range of materials. This tool comes equipped with a laser guide, dust blower, safety button, and the ability to make simple and quick depth modifications. The 4,000 RPM high speed allows to effortlessly cut through a wide range of materials, including ceramic, stone, wood, aluminum, PVC, brick, etc. One customer wrote, "I bought this to use on a few light woodworking projects involving cutting openings in 1/2-inch plywood, and hard-to-reach areas of 5/8-inch sheetrock in the ceiling. It does a nice precise cut, and the saw went through the plywood easily. The saw is lightweight to hold, and well-balanced." Number 5. Makita HS060010 1/4 Circular Saw. For bigger projects, nothing provides a better performance than this attractive Makita circular saw. Its large cutting capacity and powerful 15-amp motor make it a contender for the best circular saw for creating straight cuts in large pieces of lumber with just one pass. Although it is a bit heavy, it features 2 grip handles and its balanced weight allows easy control when making significant cuts. This tool can also create an angle up to 50 degrees. One pleased purchaser explained, "A bit on the heavy side, but that is to be expected from a saw this size. The best part is you can cut a 4x4 in a single pass." Another added, "The saw is fairly heavy but makes for easier hard cuts." It's comfortable and powerful and well worth every penny. Powerful 15 amp motor delivers 300 RPM with power to cut beams, engineered lumber, and timber. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.